Are you still trying to close your first real estate deal but feel stuck? Or are you closing deals but feel like you're rebuilding your business every few months without real growth? It's not your hustle or your leads, it's your systems. I've partnered with my friend Mahmoud Issa and his company Nanoscape Consulting to bring you a live training this Wednesday night designed for serious real estate operators ready to scale beyond six figures. Whether you're doing wholesale, fix and flip, or buying rental properties for your own portfolio, this training's for you. In this session, we'll break down how to build a clear process map so you always know what to do next, map your revenue focused processes to eliminate bottlenecks, design a custom daily routine you can actually follow, a way to customize your CRM to fit your unique workflow, building and hiring retention systems that stop turnover and implement accountability frameworks, set up KPI targets that show you where you're winning or where you're leaking, and ready to use scripts, calculators, and contracts. This isn't theory. It's the real process that Mahmoud uses in his business and helps his clients to consistently close deals. If you're ready to stop patching your business and start scaling on purpose, this training's for you. This webinar training is for serious operators who want to scale predictably or beginners ready to close their first deal. No hype, no fluff, just real systems that work. Mahmoud will also be scheduling free one-on-one strategy audits available for those that go to the webinar to help you pinpoint the bottlenecks in your business and build your custom growth plan. Reserve your seat now and take control of your business. Click the link below to join live, and we'll see you there.